How to send high quality snaps without losing resolution. So if you want to send high quality snaps without losing the resolution, then first you need to open up your Snapchat. After opening your Snapchat, now if you want to send some snaps or if you want to send some images, then to send high quality images or snaps, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your stable internet connection, then you'll be able to send high quality images. Or if you want to go with videos, then what you need to do is that you can go with profile, which is on the upper left. And from the profile, you need to go with the top right, which has that settings option. Now under settings, you need to scroll down, and under additional services, you will have manage option. Tap on manage, and here you can go with your lens studio, or you may also have an option of high quality snaps. So for now, Snapchat has not updated the option of high quality snaps. So in order to send high quality snaps or videos or images, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, because if you don't have the internet connection, then your snaps will not be sent as high quality. So make sure that you have an internet connection and make sure that you've updated the application, and after that your problem will be fixed. And the other thing you need to make sure is under the privacy control, you need to go with data saver. Under data saver, make sure that you have not turned on your data saver. If you turn on your data saver, then it will reduce your Snapchat's mobile data usage, and you'll need to manually load content like lens, snaps, and they may take longer to view. So make sure that it is turned off and go back, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.